How you doing? My name is Brian Martin. I'm the owner of Powerhouse Painting and Home Improvement. We get asked two questions when it comes to bathroom painting. First, how much does it cost? And how much paint am I gonna need? So I'll answer the first one. The first one is how much does it cost? And as always, it can vary. But ultimately, if we're just doing the walls, it's around $650. And then if we're doing wall, ceiling, and trim, it could be up to $1,200. The price varies, maybe a little less, maybe a little more, depending on the size of your bathroom. They may be small, but they are hard to work around everything in them. The second question is, how much paint do you need? You usually only need 1 gallon of a semi-gloss paint for your walls. If you have any more questions or would like to receive a price on how much painting your bathroom costs, give us a call at 757-310-2926.